welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I'm going to be showing you how I got this beautiful look with this natural, beautiful curly hair. And I'm also going to be showing you how easy it is to install. This hair does not need a lot of work. It comes with curly baby hairs that looks natural. As you can see, it's not overly done, but it's also already done for you. So you literally take it out of the box, put it on, and you're ready to go. So if you're looking for an easy, ready-to-go hair, and you also don't have the time, the energy, or the ability to do all the plugging, the tweezing, the bleaching, and all of that, I got you. Today's hair is going to give you that, all right? With that said, let's get into the installation. All right, y'all, so I have the hair here. Here it is. This is, I still don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's hair mosa, like mimosa. This is our hair. It comes in another protective bag. So this is our hair. It's really, really thick, and it's like a natural color. And I love the fact that the baby hairs are curly. It's already been styled. It has a middle part. As you can see there, the baby hairs are curly, and then the knots have already been bleached. This is, like I said, a 24-inch, so it doesn't look like a 24-inch because it's curly hair. Curly hair looks shorter than when it's straight. So let's go ahead and put it on. All right, guys, I was running late, so I decided to just put my outfit on and then install the hair, okay? So this is what it looks like. I haven't done anything. I'm gonna be using my Got2b glue to spray it down, but I just wanted to show you all what it looks like. Like I said, I love the fact that it has the natural baby hairs. I don't know if you all can see that, but I also like the fact that when they cut it, it's not straight across. It's jagged, not jagged, but curved. Let me show you. I don't know if you all can see that, but yeah, it wasn't cut straight across. So this is a very easy install. I don't even have to cut the lace because, as you can see, the lace has already been cut. And so you can either choose to lay it or just leave it as is. But I like that a lot. And this hair can be very versatile. I like the fact that it goes from ear to ear. See that? Look at that. It goes from ear to ear. So you can actually cover it. See? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down with my Got2b glue, and then we'll go from there. I have my glue here. Let's go ahead and spray it down. I have a mirror in front of me here. That's what I'm looking at. So spray it. This is a game changer, y'all. This baby hair, the natural baby hair. Okay, so go ahead and pull it to the front. Put a little bit more in front. I'm gonna go ahead and set it. The natural baby hair makes it so natural. So what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to tie it down, but behind the perimeter of the wig. So I have my hair tie here. All right, then in the meantime, I'm taking this out. I'm gonna take a water bottle. That's just water with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. You can do just water if you want. Just to tame the hair a little bit, I'm spraying it down with water. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse on it. I really like the hair. I like the color. And the thing with curly hair is going to tangle. After a while, it's gonna tangle. Curly hair is beautiful, it's low maintenance, but it does tangle. So you gotta remember that, all right? It doesn't matter what company you get it from, doesn't matter what brand, even your natural hair. The reason it tangles so much is because it's curly. So I have some mousse here. This is for braiding. I got it from a beauty supply store. I had my hair braided a little bit ago, but ever since then, I've just been using it on my wigs and it works really well. So I do water and then mousse. See that? This is this side. I like to do the ends. Make sure I get the ends really well. Okay, this is really pretty. Very, very pretty. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the scarf. I think the hair is laid by now. Oh, wow. Family. At first I look like a caveman with all this baby hair, but look at this. But see that? You can't see the lace in the front, which I really, really like. See how you can't see the lace? Same on this side. So you can choose to really baby hair this, or you can leave it as is and just comb it. I think I want to leave it as is and just comb it to the back a little bit. Wow, look at that. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it because I don't like that lace look. Look at even the front. You can't even see the lace. That is nice. I like that a lot. Look at this. This is so nice. I'm gonna take a little bit. Again, you can do the baby hair. You can do the extravagant baby hair if you want. I'm not gonna do it. See that? I like how natural it looks. I like how you wouldn't be able to tell it's a wig unless I told you, because it literally looks like it's coming out of my scalp. I like that. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and swipe it across my forehead, just a tiny little bit towards this side. I got some Eco Styler gel and a toothbrush that I always use. I find that the toothbrush works a little better for me, at least. Oh my goodness. When I say the tiniest little bit, see that? The tiniest little baby hairs ever. That's what I did. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down. All right, so family, while that's doing this thing, I'm gonna go ahead and put some earrings on. I wanna do hoops today, but I also wanna do this. I think I'm gonna do this to match my my jacket, the circles. I'm going out. I'm always going out, but I'm going out on a brunch. I always love going out because I spend a lot of time at home. So any opportunity I get to go out, I get excited, I get all dressed up, and I like to slay, and I feel like my hair is gonna be slaying for the gods. It's gonna be very cutesy. I'm gonna take a little bit of water, spray it down to get the little flyaways. This hair is beautiful, y'all. I really like this. See how shiny the curls are? See how full it is? Okay, let's go ahead and take the scarf off and see what we got. Let's see what we are working with. Oh, wow. Look at that. See that? All right, this is it. I love this. I love how feminine it makes me look. Oh, wow. And the curls are so pretty. Look at those curls. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is this hair? If you've seen my TikTok video, I started a series on narcissism. If you've seen my TikTok videos, a lot of people have been asking me what hair I'm wearing. This is the hair, y'all. This is it. So I decided to style it for you guys so you can see. It's beautiful. If you've seen all my TikTok videos, I style it for you guys so you all can see. I will have all of the details of this hair in the description box. I'll also have a discount code for you all like I normally do. But look at it. Look how beautiful. I feel gorgeous. Yes, 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 yes. Let's see the back. I love the jacket. This is a set from Express. The shirt, I'm wearing a black skirt. You guys know I love these skirts. I have a lot of them. Let me move all the way back so yes, I have a lot of these. But the jacket is giving life, and the hair. It's giving growing out of my scalp. Look at that. It's looking like it's growing out of my scalp. And they're texting me now. They're texting me now. Mercy, can you hurry? Can you hurry up? Yes, I'm about to go. So Okay, y'all, that is it for today's video, and thank you to Hermosa for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna leave all of the links and all of the details down in the description box. Go check it out and get you one of these. You need this in your collection. Trust me, you need it. All right, family, thank you all again so much for watching. Please comment your favorite part below and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.